coming up to Millwood fire station, just in case you didn't notice. It's not actually that bad. Roads are slippery as hell, but it's not actually that bad. I wouldn't recommend coming out for a drive in it though. You know, I just said it wasn't that bad. I lied.
It's got wooden.
I just hit a big lump of snow there and it wanted to take me off the road, but it's all good as long as I got both hands on the steering wheel. Sticking closer to the edge, the centre of the road rather than the edge. So if I do have a moment, oh, that's some strong wind pushing there. Someone's driveway just blew all over there. One little bit of driving there that I'm going to be a little sketchy over is hitting that hill by J-Case. Where it drifts across the road like this. It's yeah, a little drift, and it certainly stops you quick. Like along here, it's just going to be drifty as hell. It smells a little bit drifty. Incoming. Lovely day for a drive. It is. Coming up to the rotary up here, this is not going to be fun. It's a hill. Put your plow down, bud. Put your plow down. Oh, oh, oh! Snow plow sideways. That was impressive, buddy. That was impressive. I'm not going sideways. I don't know why he's going sideways. Look at the weight he's got on the back of there. Nice indicating there, buddy. Nice.